Good morning, children. We have been discussing the question answers and the exercise part of the lesson. Who did Patrick's homework? In today's class, we are going to study. We are going to have that speaking activity. It is a conversation on homework. Imagine it is the conversation which took place between your friends. Here I have given the names Ramesh and Arun. Before going to read this conversation, let us go through the phrases, words which are used in the conversation. Here is a box having phrases, and they all which are in the first box, they all are used in a negative sentences. Not is written before every phrase because they are used in a negative sentence. Too fond of means interested. Take to means have a habit of something as a regular habit. Next one, to develop a liking for means like, have a attitude. Next one, appeal to means request. Next one, be keen on means be specific, particular. Last one, have a taste for means interested. These are the other words which are used in the conversation. They are not phrases, they are just words. Support means assist. Support means help. Assist means guide. With the aid of means with the help of something or materials or persons. Help means motivating. Next, be a boon. Be a positive impact. Next, give a boost to means it increases the ability. These are the words used in the conversation. Let us read this conversation. Ramesh says, I am not fond of homework. A boy who hates homework. He is not interested in doing homework like Patrick. His friend Arun says, but my sister helps me with my lessons. That gives me boost to my marks. Arun's sister helps him to complete his homework. That is why he scores well. Next, Ramesh says, I don't take to my homework. That means he doesn't have the habit of doing homework regularly. Take to means have a habit. Next, Arun replies, my sister helps to have regular homework as a habit. Arun's sister inculcated the habit of doing homework for that boy. That is his statement. Next, Ramesh says, the difficulties don't develop a liking for homework. The difficulties which I faced in homework made me to hate it. That is it. Ramesh's statement. Then Arun says, my sister assists in difficulties to complete my work with ease. That Arun's sister helps to solve the difficult things to complete his homework. Next, Ramesh says, I don't appeal to my brother to assist me in doing homework. That Ramesh hates homework. He doesn't want to ask any assistance. He is not ready to take any help from his brother. Then Arun replies, the habit of doing homework daily is a boon given by my sister. The new attitude created by Arun's sister, that is called a boon. Now Ramesh says, Ramesh, I am not keen on mathematical problems. He is not interested in story problems. So he says, I am not keen on mathematical problems. Arun replies for that, but my classmates support me to solve the difficulties. The cooperation of classmates and family members helped to develop a new attitude for the boy Arun. And the last diagram conversation continued. Ramesh says, I don't have taste for doing homework. He is not interested in doing homework because the difficulties he feels and there is no guidance from the family members. And Arun says, I developed this attitude with the aid of the colorful books and technology. Here, Arun developed good attitude. he felt homework is a fun because he got the opportunities of reading books and using computer and technology that helped him to gain this attitude. Till now we got a model of conversation, how the conversation will be written as well as how it can be used in day-to-day life. You have to write this conversation in your notebook neatly and read the feelings of the boys Ramesh and Arun, and you have to write 5 sentences about homework, your opinion, your feelings about opinion at the end of this conversation. Thank you. Have a nice day.